Mr. Landau, pull the car
Sorry,
over
Your
right
Honor.
now.
Your Honor, I'm not driving. Would you like to
Pull
see
the
my driver?
car over. Pull the car over. You cannot be driving, ma'am. What are you doing? Come on.
I'm not driving. I'm a passenger in a car.
Yeah, I'm not going to handle a case where people are driving. You're a lawyer. You know better. Pull the car over.
I apologize, Your Honor.
That's not a good apology. That's silly and ridiculous. Let me see the driver.
I have to ask their permission.
Oh, you're not in the you weren't in the driver's side. You think I'm that stupid? Mr. Landau, pull the car over
Sorry, Your
right
Honor.
now.
Your Honor, I'm not driving. Would you
Pull
like to see
the
my driver?
car over. Pull the car over. Mr. Landau, pull the car over.
Judge, I'm sorry. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm not going to handle a case where people are driving. You're a lawyer. You know better. Pull the car over.
All right, Judge, we will right now. Pardon me.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I'm going to get really agitated if you don't shut your camera down, Mr. Landau. You know better.
I apologize, Your Honor.
That's not a good apology. That's silly and ridiculous. Mr. Landau, your appearance.
Mark Landau for the plaintiff.
You guys, where are you? Where are you, Mr. Landau?
I'm here, Your Honor. Good morning.
I know, but where are you?
I'm en route to Indianapolis to go see the Final Four, Judge.
To see what?
The NCAA finals.
Are you pulled over, Mr. Landau, or are you still traveling?
I am pulled over, Judge.
All right. Ma'am, did you listen to and understand the rights on the video?
Yeah.
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you wish to speak to a lawyer or make an application for funding? Ma'am?
No, okay, I'm sorry. I got confused because I heard someone else speak as well. I didn't know if you were talking to me or
Talking to you.
Okay.
I don't know what's going on today, really.
Okay. No worries. No, I already had the conversation with the attorney.
But how much is owed on this, Mr. Landau?
Your Honor, Miss Brooks owes $911.91 in rent, no late fees at this point, $182.04 in court costs, total is $1,093.95. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what, Judge? I'm looking at the wrong paperwork. This is Miss Morgan.
No, because you're in a car. Because you're in a car. You shouldn't be in a car. You should have got somebody to handle these. Here's what I'm doing on all of these. I think that's it for you. So that's what I'm doing on those. Do you have any more, Mr. Landau?
That's it, Your Honor.
I tell you, I don't like this.
In this instance, the court addressed improper conduct by plaintiff's counsel during a virtual hearing. The attorney appeared while actively traveling in a vehicle en route to a personal event and failed to maintain the level of professionalism required for court proceedings. Despite clear expectations, counsel did not ensure a stable or appropriate environment to represent the client. The court noted that participating in a hearing from a moving vehicle reflects a lack of preparation, divided attention, and disregard for courtroom protocol. This was further compounded by confusion in presenting the correct case details during the hearing. The judge emphasized that virtual appearances carry the same obligations as in-person proceedings, including attentiveness, accuracy, and professional conduct. As a result, the court expressed clear disapproval of the attorney's actions and reinforced that such behavior is unacceptable in legal proceedings. This moment highlights that even counsel is not exempt from courtroom standards, and failure to comply can undermine both credibility and the integrity of the case.
Let's start with that. I just entered a default judgment.
Is there as me?
You cannot be driving, ma'am. What are you doing? Come on.
I'm not driving. I'm a passenger in a car.
You're still not, I'm not hearing cases with people driving or as passengers in cars.
Okay, I will pull over right now.
Short of us coming out to everybody's house and doing these on boats and stuff in the summer, I don't know.
I'm sorry, I have an emergency. I'm going out of town for a family member, but I will have my driver pull over. Hang on one second. I'm sorry. I didn't know that I wasn't allowed to be in a car, but hang on 1 second.
Am I crazy or does it not look like you're driving that car?
I'm not driving the car. I'm a passenger in the car, sir.
What side of the car are you on?
I'm on the left-hand side.
How would you be on the left-hand side if you're a passenger in the front seat? Am I missing something?
Right-hand side. I'm sorry. I've been sitting in a room. I didn't know.
Yeah, the seatbelt's coming off of the driver's side. Right? You know you're lying to me, right?
No, I'm not, sir.
Let me see the driver. Let me see the driver.
Hang on 1 second.
Now.
I have to ask their permission.
Now.
Oh my God.
Oh, you're not in the you weren't in the driver's side. You think I'm that stupid? I'm going to go ahead and enter a default judgment. Our paperwork says that they can't drive. Does it not, Jennifer?
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I took a breath in and started choking. Well, I missed what
Does
you
our
said.
paperwork not tell people that they can't be in a car?
I don't know, Your Honor. I'd have to look at it
The
again. I haven't
paperwork
looked
that
at it
I'm
in a while.
looking at, it does not say that I cannot be in a car.
I'm entering a default judgment. You lied to me. Judgment 1921-85. Send me your counsel and put in there defendant was not available at the time and then was driving a car and telling the court she was not. I'm entering a default judgment. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I signed in at 1:30, sir.
Well, you got an attitude with you. I'll tell you that. You got an attitude. I'm not putting up with it. Nonsense. Good luck to you.
In this instance, the court addressed improper conduct by the defendant during a virtual hearing. The defendant appeared from inside a vehicle and initially stated that she was not driving. However, upon questioning by the court, her statements became inconsistent regarding her position in the car. The judge observed visual indicators that contradicted her claims, raising immediate concerns about honesty and credibility. When asked directly, the defendant struggled to provide clear and consistent answers, leading the court to believe that she was not being truthful. The court emphasized that participating in a hearing from a vehicle is inappropriate, as it reflects divided attention and a failure to meet basic courtroom standards. More importantly, providing misleading or inconsistent statements during proceedings is taken seriously and undermines the integrity of the judicial process. As a result, the judge found the defendant's conduct unacceptable and entered a default judgment. This moment reinforces that lack of candor and improper participation, even in a virtual setting, can directly lead to an adverse outcome.